I am Dr. Girish H Khandelwal, dentist practicing in Kandivali West under ST.MOTHER Dental and Cosmetic Clinic. Today we have a patient whose treatment was done at the age of 84 years, and we did 2 implants, placed him a bar and gave him a removable denture. Now he's been using since 1 month, and he'll share his experience of from day 1 to today's journey, how was the treatment and how he's feeling now. Please.
Okay, as a patient, I am highly satisfied with the work done by Dr.GiRiSH Khandelwal, and it is wonderful. Treatment and the implant and denture and everything is perfectly alright, and I am so happy to be in this clinic without any hesitation or doubt. And I am so fine, I can eat everything, I can bite nicely, and hope to get my age further prolonged.
Yes, as you saw, the denture was already placed in the jaw. The denture is so fixed that it doesn't move even while speaking. खाते समय अंकल आपको कोई तकलीफ?
No problem.
Denture loose लगता है आपको?
No difficulty. The denture is perfectly fit, and it doesn't move anywhere, right, left, down, up, and it is so.
Doesn't dance.
Yeah. It is as is and natural.
Thank you. Thank you so much.